GK most important question. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer: dolphin. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. Which is the national flower of India? Answer: lotus. Which is the national tree of India? Answer: banyan. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. Which is the national reptile of India? Answer: king cobra. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Answer: dolphin. What is the currency of the UK? Answer: pound. What is the currency of the USA? Answer: dollar. What is the currency of China? Answer: yuan. What is the currency of Japan? Answer: yen. When was the United Nations established? Answer: 1945. In which year did World War II begin? Answer: 1939. In which year did World War I begin? Answer: 1914. Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer: Shah Jahan. Who built the Red Fort? Answer: Shah Jahan. Who founded the Maurya Empire? Answer: Chandragupta. Which is the largest dam in India? Answer: Tehri. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer: Chilika. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer: Wular. Which river is known as the Ganga of South India. Answer Godavari. Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? Answer Kosi. What is the national emblem of India? Answer Asoka Lion. What is the national motto of India? Answer Satyamev Jayate. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer Sen. Who was the first Vice President of India? Answer Radhakrishnan. Who wrote the Constitution of India? Answer Ambedkar. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Answer Gujarat. Which Indian state is famous for tea production? Answer Assam. Which Indian state has the largest area? Answer Rajasthan. Which Indian state has the largest population? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? Answer Punjab. Which state is known as God's own country? Answer Kerala. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer Bengaluru. Which city is known as the City of Joy? Answer Kolkata. Which city is known as the City of Lakes? Answer Udaipur. Which city is known as the Pink City? Answer Jaipur. Which country is known as the land of kangaroos? Answer Australia. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? Answer Japan. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? Answer Finland. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer Sahara. Which is the highest mountain in the world? Answer: Everest. Which is the highest civilian award in India? Answer: Bharat Ratna. Who was the first Indian woman in space? Answer: Kalpana Chawla. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer: Indira Gandhi. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Answer: Shastri. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Patel. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.